guys, welcome to the Bump with Dr. Brittany. I'm so excited today to be talking about round ligaments. And some of you are like, what is a round ligament? And some of you might know exactly what round ligaments are. But the illustration I want to give today is that a round ligament is kind of like a hot air balloon. So your hot air balloon sits right about here, right in your pelvis. And this is your pubic bone. So your pubic bone is kind of like the basket of the hot air balloon. And the round ligaments are what attach that hot air balloon to that basket. And so you can imagine if the strings that attach that hot air balloon are tilted or pulled or tight, could tilt that uterus in different directions. And with the tilted uterus, I'm sure most of you have heard what a tilted uterus is, but with the tilted uterus, you have less space for your baby to grow, thrive, and move around and just be in that optimal position. And so what we do with a technique called Webster is we release those round ligaments, allowing that uterus to be in the optimal position. So those round ligaments are actually one of the only ligaments in the body that have muscular tissue and can be released like trigger points. So by holding and releasing with a really gentle and specific area, we can allow those round ligaments to be released and actually bounce out from side to side, allowing that uterus or that hot air balloon to be balanced. We don't want it tilted from side to side. We want it completely perfect, just to allow baby to have the most room and space to grow possible. So how can you know if your round ligaments aren't balanced? So a lot of moms tell me that when they sit up, they feel sharp pain in the front of their belly. Or when they're rolling over, they feel a sharp pain in their belly. And these are all ways to know that that trigger point is really aggravated and tight. And so you can tell by either a lot of pain or tenderness in the front of the belly, in the area, like right about here, right underneath your belly button, and just lateral, like out to the sides. You can feel those areas if they're tight and tender while pushing on it. That can definitely be a sign that you have tight round ligaments, and also any of that tight pulling when you're doing movements that normally wouldn't give you any pain. And I can't wait to see y'all next time.